Today we're going to learn about how to find the area of the shaded part of a triangle. Let's say we have a problem like the ratio of the area of the triangle to that of the circle is 7:6. The radius of the circle is 7 centimeters. Find the shaded area of the triangle. Pi is equal to 22/7. Now, as we can see in this diagram, that including this quadrant, it is a whole, including this quadrant and the shaded part, this is a whole right triangle. So, this means that the area of the shaded part of the figure, S for shaded, this is the shaded part of the figure, plus the area of the quadrant is equal to the area of the triangle. This triangle right here. And this is the quadrant. This also means that the area of the shaded part is equal to the area of the triangle minus the area of the quadrant. Again, this is the quadrant and this is the whole triangle. Now, let's first start by finding the area of this quadrant. The area of the quadrant is equal to the area of the circle, this circle, divided by 4, because the circle has 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4, divided by 4, which is equal to the area. The formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared. So the formula for the area of this quadrant is pi r squared over 4, which is equal to pi r squared. Pi is equal to 22/7. So 22/7 times the radius squared, which is the radius times the radius. And in the problem, it states that the radius of the circle is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. So times 7 times 7 again. Because the radius squared is also equal to the radius times the radius over 4. Because we are dividing this by 4 to get the area of the quadrant. 7 goes into 7 one time, so this 7 cancels out and this 7 cancels out. So now we get 22 times 7/4, which is equal to 154/4. Now the 4 and the 154 are both divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2, and 2 goes into 154. Let's see. 2 goes into 15 7 times with the remainder of 1. 2 goes in, now it becomes 14. 2 goes into 14 7 times with the remainder of 0. So 2 goes into 154 77 times. Now we have to divide 77 by 2, which is equal to 38 and a half. So, the area of the quadrant is equal to the area of the quadrant is equal to 38 and a half. 38 and a half. Whoops, not a fourth, it's a half. Now we need to find the area of the triangle. Now, it says in the problem that the ratio of the area of the triangle to that of the circle is 7 to 6. So, to find the area of the triangle, we need to first find the area of the circle. So, the area of the circle is equal to the area of the area of the quadrant times 4, which is equal to 38 and a half, not a fourth, a half, times 4, which is equal to 154 centimeters squared. Now, we need to find the area of the triangle, not the area of the circle. And in the problem, it says that the ratio of the area of the triangle to that of the circle is 7 to 6. So this means that 154 centimeters squared is equal to 6 units. So, if 6 units is equal to 154, then 7 units is equal to how much? Because we are trying to find out how much the area of the triangle is. And the triangle is equal to 7 units. So, question mark is equal to, this is the question mark, how much 7 units is equal to. Question mark is equal to 154 times 7 divided by 6. 6 and 154 are both divisible by 3. So you cross out the 6 and put a 2 because 3 goes into 6 2 times, and you cross out, actually 2 goes into 6 3 times because we're dividing by 2 here, not by 3. So 154 divided by 2 is equal to 77. So now we have 77 times 7 over 3 is equal to the area of the triangle. Let's do 77 times 7 up here. 77 times 7 is equal to 7 times 7 is 49. You put your 9 down here and you carry your 4. 7 times 7 is 49 again. 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. So now you have 539 over 3, which is equal to 3 goes into 5 one time. You get a remainder of 2. It becomes 23. 3 goes into 23 7 times. You get a remainder of 2, and it becomes 29. 3 goes into 29 9 times, and you get a remainder of 2 again. And there are no more digits, so it becomes 179 and 2/3. So the area of the triangle is equal to 179 and 2/3 centimeters squared. Oops, this should be with this color. Now we are not done with our problem. We need to still find the area of the shade. We need to still find the shaded area of the triangle. This is the triangle. Again. And we have both the things, or both the answers, or both the components that we need to answer this problem. We have the area of the triangle and the area of the quadrant. Once again, the area of the quadrant is equal to 38 1/2, and the area of the triangle is equal to, let's write, area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is equal to 179 and 2/3 centimeters squared. So now we have to subtract 38 1/2 from 179 and 2/3 centimeters squared. Let's do that right here. 179 and 2/3 minus 38 1/2. 38 1/2 is equal to 141 and 1/6. 141 and 1/6. Let's write the answer up here. Centimeters squared. 141 and 141 and 1/6 centimeters squared. Today we learned about how to find the area of the shaded part of the triangle. Thank you for watching this video.